Hi, I'm Jessica from Me Time. In this video, we're going to talk to you about using metallic thread in your embroidery machine. Luckily for you, I have an expert. Hi, Noel.
Hi, Jessica. I'm excited to be here again.
In our collectible Christmas kit for January, you received some metallic thread. We also use it for the Magi's and for the Far East trifold. It's so pretty on the Magi, but I've heard working with metallic thread is tricky. Is it?
It can be a little bit more tricky because it is delicate and it can break more than other threads, but it is definitely worth it and very doable.
Great, Noel, thanks. What have you learned with using metallic thread?
So the first thing that you should do is slow down your machine. This helps to avoid friction when you are stitching with metallic thread, which usually causes the breaks and the knots that happen. The next thing you should do is change your needle. I recommend using a metallic needle. The metallic needles usually have a larger eye so that the thread can slip through a lot easier. Another thing I recommend is using sewer's aid, and it is meant to help the thread slip through the eye of the needle easier as well. As a last resort, I will adjust the tension on my machine, but usually I don't find that that's necessary if I follow all of the 3 previous things that I have said.
Great, Noel. Anything else I should know?
One more tip I would recommend is make sure your machine is clean. Thread breaks can cause buildup underneath your stitch plate, so I would just make sure that there is no thread buildup under there.
We have a whole machine cleaning video available on our YouTube channel. We hope you find these videos helpful and you have more confidence in stitching with metallic thread. Thanks for joining us.